Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photoshop and selecting the text layer you want to change. Use the Type tool and highlight the text so any font search applies immediately. Open the Character panel from Window Character so you can see weight, size, and style options while you search. Once done, make sure the document's color and size are set because the font preview depends on those settings. This direct setup speeds the search and avoids toggling back and forth later when you evaluate type choices. You now open the Font Family menu in the Options bar and begin typing a font name to jump immediately to Matches, which is faster than scrolling. If you don't know the name, use the filter options, serif, sans serif, monospace, or variable, to narrow choices by classification. Increase the preview size in the menu so you can read spacing and shape at your working size. Also try toggling bold or italic styles if available, because some families include more useful variants than others. You finish by applying the font and fine-tuning size, leading, and tracking in the Character panel so spacing looks balanced. If a font doesn't appear, make sure Adobe Fonts is signed in and the font is activated, or install the OTF/TTF on your system and restart Photoshop. This resolves most missing font issues. Once satisfied, convert text to shape or rasterize only when necessary for effects or export, because keeping live type lets you edit later without losing fidelity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.